My BoxyCharm just got here for the month of September, so let's take a look. The theme for this box is Glam Vibes Only. I got variation number 44. This little card tells me more about the products and the prices. First product is from Pharmacy. This is a brightening vitamin C eye cream, and I've gotten this before. Next product is from Billion Dollar Beauty. It's a beauty sponge. It's vegan. It has charcoal infused, and it makes the application of makeup so smooth that it looks like a filter. Next product is from Laura Geller, and this is a volumizing mascara. It has the volumizing brush, and I can't wait to try it. Next product is from Hank and Henry, and this lipstick looks really nice. So you push the button at the top and then the lipstick pops out. I like the case. I love the glitter, and it's the first time I have a lipstick that does that. Here's the lipstick. It has really fine glitter in it that's pink, although I do not like the color. It's too washed out for me. Here is the last product. It's from Alamar. It's an eyeshadow palette. This palette comes with a really big mirror, which I like, travel friendly. Here are all the colors. The colors are really pretty. Those purples look really nice. Here is everything I received in this month's box. Let me know if you guys got similar products, if you guys do get BoxyCharm. And like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.